My name is Carlos J. Malave. I'm an educational consultant and curriculum specialist. In my session, we covered restorative power. Restorative power is all about owning the power in your vulnerability and taking it back from your experiences. We always think there's a problem with confrontation and we mix it up with conflict. It's two different things, and we need to be able to differentiate, to have those difficult conversations and bridge those gaps to fix those relationships in our lives. The objective of the program is about making the audience uncomfortable and getting comfortable in their discomfort. My mission is about strategizing how to have these difficult conversations and being able to do activities that put them in these situations to practice. Because often we don't get an opportunity to practice these conversations before they even had, right? So do we identify what it is that we need to talk about? Do we have our red flags written down? Do we have our scripts in our head of what we're going to say when things go down? Most of the time the answer is no. So my program gets people to be able to do that so that when they go out there, they would already know and be ready and prepared to have those conversations. I create the spaces that I wish my father had access to growing up. My father never learned how to articulate his feelings properly. He struggled with depression, and he felt alone mainly. My sessions are all about getting people comfortable in that space of not feeling alone, expressing what they're going through, and strategizing on how to cope with it better and deal with the people in their lives. This is why I do what I do.
My name is Jennifer Perez Basilio. I am the National Executive VP as well as the State Executive VP for the state of Georgia. I got the opportunity to watch Mr. Carlos' workshop, which was phenomenal. He did something that I have not seen other speakers do, which was make it so interactive. He also made it a safe space with his vulnerability, allowing all of the students to not only network with him, but network with one another on a whole different level. I for sure know that these students walked out of there feeling like a brand new person after unloading so much onto not only him, but each other, which I feel like built such a connection for us here in FBLA. FBLA is not only about future business leaders, but also about being a family, which I feel like Mr. Carlos incorporated that so greatly in his workshop. I would definitely recommend him to anybody who's looking to not only build their organization, but make sure their organization feels like family. Thank you.